Only on CBS Atlanta tonight, fighting mold in Georgia is not an easy battle. As you know, mold forms where there is a lot of moisture and it can be tough to get rid of.
Also caused one Metro Atlanta family to get sick inside their own home. They also say their landlord has done very little to address it. Consumer investigative reporter Adam Murphy has this health alert.
How's it going, Mark?
Yeah. Caleb Weiler is a man on a mission. He's an industrial hygienist, which means he's professionally trained to identify mold.
Everywhere where they patched, it's still really wet.
CBS Atlanta called on Weiler's company, Heaton Environmental, after Mark and Tiffany complained about the living conditions in their apartment.
We have no living room, we have no dining room, we can't even sit at the table to eat dinner. Water may come down on us if we try to.
Tiffany said a water leak at the apartment complex caused their ceiling to cave in twice during the past 2 months, and management has only patched the problem. So concerned about the moisture leading to mold, they bought this home test kit for about $10. They put one petri dish on the carpet, the other next to the hole in the ceiling. The results were shocking.
We've all now been sick pretty much since this all happened. Sneezing, runny nose, itchiness, all of us, all 4 of us.
Tiffany said she asked management to move the family to another apartment to avoid exposure to the mold, but she said they told her only if she renewed her lease for a year.
It's stressful and I'm pregnant and I shouldn't be going through this much stress while being pregnant.
Because petri dish results can be unreliable, CBS Atlanta asked Heaton Environmental to run over $700 worth of air quality tests. They checked the walls and floor for signs of moisture.
This is the most predominant mold, is the Penicillium aspergillus.
Lab results showed elevated mold spore counts in the dining room and excess moisture in several areas.
There's always a liability with mold because no 2 people have the same sensitivities, and if someone in the family were extremely sensitive, it could create a problem.
Heaton recommended that the apartment complex take immediate action to dry out the unit and properly eliminate the mold.
We would want them to bring in HEPA filtered, which is an acronym for a high-efficiency filtration system in here, and scrub the spores out of the air.
CBS Atlanta News contacted the corporate office for Landmark at Bella Vista to inform them of our findings. The executive vice president of operations told us he would work to resolve the issue immediately. As for Mark and Tiffany, they're upset it took a call to CBS Atlanta to get something done.
Hopefully I can get some kind of action. I just want a safe environment for my children.
After CBS Atlanta got involved, the corporate office for the apartment complex sent out a mold remediation contractor to treat the unit and agreed to pay for the family to stay in a hotel until the work is complete. If you're worried about mold and get no action from your landlord, you can contact your county health department as well as the Georgia Environmental Protection Division. Adam Murphy, CBS Atlanta News.